you guys? It's Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber. If you're new, I like to do beauty and fashion videos, so if you're interested in those kind of things, you might want to go ahead and subscribe. Today's video is an unboxing from the brand LTL London. If you guys haven't seen part 1, go ahead and check it out. But today's video is actually a collaboration with them this time to show you guys these bags. So they were actually sent to me, but all opinions and ideas about these bags are all my own. So if you guys didn't see my first video unboxing part 1, go ahead and check that out. But today I am unboxing 2 different bags for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing some bougie on a budget bags, then just keep on watching. Here is what the box looks like. It is just a really big box with 2 purses that I picked out, and they did come all the way from the UK. This is United Kingdom brand. I'm so excited. Their bags come wrapped in beautiful LTL London branded tissue paper. So there is that beautiful presentation. Oh my gosh. And I got a little shopper bag, which I did not get before. Thank you so much, LTL London. This is awesome. If you guys do end up checking out these bags, they're very much luxury inspired without, you know, copying logos or anything like that, but definitely gives you that expensive feel, and I just love the way that their bags have been crafted and made and styled. So here is this. Show you. So there's actually 2 bags in here, but one of the bags is actually full. So I'm going to show you guys this one. Oh my gosh. LTL London, this is some presentation. This is so beautiful. I feel like I just went to a luxury store and made a purchase. I feel like I need to go like take pictures with this right now. It's just so cute. Okay. Can untie it. Alright, you guys. So here is the bag. They're both in dust bags. Here is the first one. Okay, so here we have the first bag. It comes in a dust bag, so you can store the bags just like any other luxury bag and make sure that it's going to stay nice when it is not in use. So this one comes in a nice black silky one. The first bag, oh my goodness. Look at this bag. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, so it has the LTL London branded tag, and you can see the type of leather design. So this first bag, here it is on their website in its glory. It is called the Haley bag in black, and it is made with 100% high quality genuine leather. This bag has a width of 26 centimeters, a height of 20 centimeters, and a depth of 13 centimeters. And not to mention it's on pre-order on their website right now because this is a hot item. It is 100% real leather that is so luxurious. And look at the Haley bag also has a little lock. And I don't know if there's a key, but let me see. Let me go ahead and take a yonder inside. We already took a look at the outside. It has feet, which is really nice to protect the bag when it is resting. Go ahead and do a little unzip here. Oh my gosh. This bag just keeps getting better and better. So on the inside, there's actually straps so that you can wear it crossbody. So I will definitely be taking this off and modeling it for you guys in just a second. So here is the inside of the bag. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's actually very spacious, and the zippers go down pretty darn far, so you have no real issue getting into the bag. And you can just see, like, there's a ton of space in here, and there's 2 pockets on the inside, and then you also have 2 zipper compartments. Just using an iPhone 10 as a comparison, I could easily put my phone in one of those pockets and it actually would fit when it shuts. So that's kind of the size of the pocket. Really perfect for putting your lipstick or easy to reach items. And I was just about to say the only thing that would make this purse better is if it actually had a key, but it actually does have a key to it. So let me show you. You have obviously the lock. And I didn't even realize, I'm so silly. The key is right in here, so you can go ahead and have it hidden. So if you just pull the key from the center, there's actually a key to actually lock the bag. So if you go in there, and it actually, obviously it works, so you can take the lock off, and you can put the zippers, can make the zippers line up, and put the lock right in there, and it is secure. Nobody can get into the bag. This is very much inspired by Louis Vuitton. They have a bag very similar to this, and I believe it's the Elma style. So this is definitely a way to get that look, and also the luxurious leather and the really heavy duty lock on here with a working lock for way cheaper. So far the Hailey bag is definitely exceeding my expectations and is absolutely beautiful. It's a really, really nice open size. There is a lot of compartments in here, surprisingly. And it comes with a really nice lock and key and feet on the bottom, which is always a bonus. I want to show you guys 2 little eye candy spoiler for my first video, so if you want more information on this bag, go ahead and check it out. But this has been my everyday bag lately. This is another LTL London bag, and I can just honestly say it is made really well. It's got that fashionable style, but something about these bags just makes me feel confident but not like worry about my purse, about something happening to it. It's not thousands of dollars. It kind of helps you, like they say, luxury meets affordability. It definitely helps me just feel luxurious and feel fashion forward without having to worry about my bags too much. I just really like that you get that look and the vibe. So I've been using this one basically every day right now. And this is also from LTL London, so I can attest. These are definitely becoming staples in my collection. And I want you guys to know that I do have the discount code Amanda10. You can get 10% off of your bag if you guys like these bags and want to try one out for yourself. You guys can just see how really gorgeous this bag is and how it's just going to match basically every outfit and elevate every outfit without having to break the budget. We love her. So I will just leave her in the background as a little eye candy, but I can definitely see myself wearing the Hailey bag basically every day because I love neutral colors. It just helps you look really fashion forward and look stylish without being too loud. So speaking of neutral colors, we do have one more purse in this beautiful bag, and we do have a white dust bag, and here is the second bag. Again, LTL London, where luxury meets affordability. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So here is the second bag. Oh my goodness. So this one is called the Ruby, and it is obviously in nude. It has the height of 20 centimeters, width of 28, depth of 11, and it is made of genuine leather. So once again, getting that really nice leather. As you can see, their brand is so cute, so luxurious and adorable. That is why I fell for them. As you can see, they have the LTL London tag. They have a top handle. So on both sides, you can kind of just do one of these to unlock it. And you can do it to the front and back. Okay, guys, so this is absolutely awesome. There are 2 whole compartments in here. The first one has a big old zipper compartment. Really nice. So you can zip things away inside there. There's such a nice touch. I love when bags have zippers on them because I don't want anything falling out. And this one also comes with the leather strap. This one has the gold detailing on it. You can go ahead and take a look at the strap. It has tons of holes for adjustments. And ooh, the clasp on these are different. So you just detach the side, slip that bad boy in there. So it's totally customized and this looks really nice. I don't know if this bag is supposed to look like another luxury bag. I'm not familiar if it is, but you can see it. And now you have the strap that seamlessly goes on there with the circle attachment. I think that's really cool. We're not even done. Inside, it is packed. It's always nice to keep the packing if you are worried about the bag losing its shape when you're storing it, but you can see you have a huge compartment also in the back here, and with another, this time a slightly more accessible pocket. Example again, putting your phone in there. My phone just fits perfectly everywhere apparently, but you can see that it just fits so nice in there, and one of those things that you want in your purse that are so easy to take out. So to shut it, you just go ahead and you can just close it and flip it, and it is nice and secure in there. And also what is nice is the strap is adjustable. So here is the ruby bag in nude. I did go ahead and I attached the strap to the little sides that they have set up for you, and I did put it on the tightest one. This bag looks kind of small, but it is mighty. It actually is a nice medium-sized bag. So here are the 2 bags side by side. You can see that this one has more of a square, larger shape, and this one has a nice deep shape as well. But they both kind of have different functionalities, but both of them would go great with my outfit today. Because they are nude, both of them would go with my outfit today. So this one has the gold hardware. And again, this one has feet, which is one of my favorite things. I think all bags should mandatorily have feet, just to protect your bag. They're both genuine leather, and they both can be worn so many different ways. So again, this is the ruby nude, and this is the Haley in leather as well. Alright you guys, so those are both of the bags from LTL London that I want to unbox for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing. My last unboxing from LTL London was honestly a hit, and you guys seem to really love it. So if you guys want to see any more certain brand unboxings or see more from LTL London, make sure to let me know. Clearly the bags that they have are super cute at a nice and affordable price point. Go ahead and check out their website. I will make sure to leave them below. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you want to see more from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.